Welcome back to a new video with Angelina. For today she is creating this demon skull makeup for us. So it is a face paint and a part body paint, and if you want to know how to create a makeup just like this one, please keep watching because we will show you step by step in the coming video. To start this video, Angelina is first sketching out all the basic shapes that will be on the skin and on the chest as well with a brown pencil liner by Maron. Once all those basic shapes are on there, it is time for the base coat of this makeup, which is white, the essential white by Diamond FX. So basically just paint the entire mask bit of this skull white. And once that layer is nicely on the skin, we continue to eyeshadow. So these are the Intense powders by Maron, and Angelina has chosen a pink for the eye makeup today. A little bit of white in the corner of the eye to make it a bit more glamorous. And then outline the eyes with the Essential Black, also by Diamond FX. Once the eyes are black, it is time to continue to the extra eye, the third eye that is in this look. So once again with the white by Diamond FX, and as you can see, Angelina is leaving a small spot open around that eye, and that way she doesn't lose the shape she put on there. The iris of the eye is painted with a brown face paint, and then obviously we have black for the pupil. A black outline and some shadow above the eye to create the eyelid. Some shadows around the eye using the Intense powder in brown and in red. And once those shadows are on there, here come the bases of the claws that are around the eye. White for the fingernails, and as you can see, Angelina is using the Ava brush to put these on the skin, as they are very nice and pointy brushes. They are easy to use for this. A black outline on the claws to, well, give them more definition, and black for the eyelashes as well. Now the eye is finished. Angelina focuses on the rest of her face. So there are a few shadows there with the same brown and red eyeshadow powders, and loads of black lines to really give this skull a cracked look. And once the black stripes are all on the skin, Angelina gives them a shadow with, once again, the same powders. Highlights with white, and that does work because the shadows, well, took away a bit of the white that was the base of this makeup, so you can see those highlights. A red lipstick, which is the basic red by Maron Paradise. And then here are some teeth, which are put on the skin with white as well. And here is a nice large fang, which is the same on both sides of the skin, of course, and a black outline to really show off those teeth. More shadows with the brown and the red, and black for the outside of the mask. Bit of red as well. And then we continue to the neck and the chest part. So there is a lot going on the neck and the chest in this face paint. But first up is the white for the bones that are in the neck. Just put those basic shapes on there, outline them with black. And then everything that is still in her own skin tone is created black using a Star Blend by Maron. Lovely, very pigmented powder to create a nice black color to the skin and still create some shadow. So you could also paint this black with a water-based face paint, but that would give a different effect to this look. The creature on the chest gets a red outline. And there is a very big white star around this one. I always admire how Angelina can paint her chest this detailed. So black in between the white star and the goat, I think it is a demon goat. And then finally it is time to give this demon some color. So this is done with the same red eyeshadow powder that Angelina used to shadow her face. And as you can see, by just using those powders, you can really create depth in this look, which would be more difficult if you would choose a water-based face paint to fill out this big piece on her chest. A little bit of black for the details. And white highlights, obviously. A black outline for the star shape on the chest. And finally the same red powder and a bit of black powder to color the final bits of this design. A few cracks with the black face paint by Diamond Effects. And with that, our demon skull face paint for today is done. Well, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.